This vanilla cake was made using the fire pot method, and this cake is so moist and mouth-watering. Stay tuned if you want to learn how to make the best vanilla cake. Okay, let's start baking our vanilla cake. So we'll start by adding 3 eggs into a bowl, and I'll add in a cup of granulated sugar. I'll give this a nice whisk for about 1 minute. So this cake is stress-free, like we are not stressing ourselves before we enjoy our cake. The full list and measurement of all ingredients will be on the comment section. Enjoy! Add in half cup of cooking oil, which is also 60 ml. So measurement is going to be on cups, ml, and grams. Make sure you do check out the comment section so you can get the easy access to your baking measurement. So after mixing the sugar, oil, and egg together, I will go in and sift in 2 cups all-purpose flour, which is also known as self-raising flour. I'll add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I will sift this into my mixed wet ingredients. Now I'll go ahead and mix this together and transfer in my 200 ml of hot boiling milk. If you've not got the liquid milk, you can go ahead and put your dried milk and add in 200 ml hot water, or you can mix your hot water with about 3 tablespoons of powdered milk. So to get that soft, fluffy vanilla cake, we're going to be melting 1 tablespoon of butter, and we're going to mix this with our cake batter. This is going to give our vanilla cake that mouth-watering texture. Like, it's going to make it come out so soft, and I bet you want to try this method, adding in melted butter to your cake batter, or adding in the butter into your boiling milk and like transferring it into the cake batter. Like, it makes such a difference. Now we're going to be greasing our baking pan with some oil, and then like add in a little bit of flour to the pan to help the cake come out after baking. Now we'll go ahead and transfer in our cake batter into a baking pan, and we're going to be baking this cake using the fire method, as I said earlier. But if you want to use your oven, do feel free to transfer this cake into your oven and bake it on 180 degrees for approximately 40 minutes. So now we'll transfer in our pot into the fire. Our fire needs to be on a medium low heat, and we'll put in any rack into the pot to elevate the baking pan so it doesn't touch directly into the hot pot to prevent it from getting burnt. And we'll get in like a stick or kitchen tissue paper and use it to trap the air from the whole of the pot cover. We want to make sure we trap in all the air so the cake will bake with the heat. And about 50 to 55 minutes later, I tell you, your kitchen will be smelling so divine and you will have this gorgeous cake. Make sure you use a rack to elevate your cake from the pot so it doesn't get burnt. That's the best trick for you to have this gorgeous cake. So now dip in your skewer into the cake to make sure it is well baked and there is no like uncooked cake in between. Allow the cake to cool down and enjoy this deliciousness. Please do go ahead and like this video. Drop me a comment if you have any questions regarding this recipe and let me know where you are watching from. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you do make yours and let me know on the comment section how it came out. Like seriously, this vanilla cake recipe is a no fail, like no fail. It's one of the best recipe that you can try and like have your cake come out the exact same way like this. I hope you do enjoy the recipe and please give this video a like as it helps. Subscribe to the channel if you want to enjoy delicious recipes like this, and thank you so much. I hope to see you on my next recipe. Do have an amazing day. Don't forget to check on the comment section and screenshot the full recipe so you can have your delicious vanilla cake. See you on my next one. Bye.